We're doing a swimming pool leak detection. We started off testing pipes. We tested the weir line from there to the pump. We found the pressure was dropping. We switched over to a tracer gas. This is a specialized gas we use to pinpoint leaks underground. It's basically helium that rises up through cracks through the ground. And we've got a Seweren Snooper X-Tech 400 that sniffs this gas coming up through the soil wherever there's a leak. And this tracer gas was coming up here. There's a clamp here that's leaking. Under the soil level, there's an elbow turning back to the pool, which is also leaking. I assume it's the same thing. These clamps, they always rust and break, causing a leak or a suction problem. You can see the pump's not filling up, but once those leaks are fixed, the pump should fill up, and no air should be in the system. We did do a test on this line also, through the multi-port handle, through the filter, back to the swimming pool. The pressure was static, which means there's no leaks on that pipeline, and there's no other leaks found, just the one in the pump box on the suction line. It's what we've got for you today on this swimming pool leak detection.